This was amazing today. On 17th of July 2005. Last year was.
Asuntoskeittiö Tammelan Puistokatu 34.
Take a say, and this is just in case because I'm not sure which one I filmed before, but we also filmed the Stay Be Here. It's also in Tammelan, Tampere, Finland, and was built in 1974 by ValmetSchlieren. Same recipe as 3879. Capacity is 4 versus 3 bedrooms and texturized here. It lacks the memory, but it's needless here.
Yeah. N'hésitez pas qu'il va experimentera pas så när det skrattas.
I love the sense of the smell here.
Same.
The elevators don't go down to the basement floor here,
Yeah.
although the basement exists.
That's